Good night. My name is Cesar Leonardo Ortega Alfonso. My code is 2024 11060. My teacher is Brian Steven Montaña Martinez. My course is English 4. There are my orange in the basket. However, there are fewer orange in the fruit bowl. There is wine in the refrigerator. There is more wine in the cellar. There are my yogurts in the market. There are fewer yogurts in my refrigerator. There are my energy drinks in the refrigerator. There are more energy drinks in the vegan than my There is a lump of chicken in the refrigerator. There is less chicken than at the butcher's shop. There is milk in the pitchers. There is more milk in the large container. Thank you very much.